As you can see, we have another Star Wars The Black Series figure in front of us, and this time it is Aurra Sing. And this is from the Clone Wars, of course. She was in the prequels, but we're going to skip over that for right now. So what we're going to do is talk about Aurra Sing and Star Wars The Black Series here. What we're going to do is unbox the figure, but first take a look at the outside of the box, and then take a look at her articulation, take some pictures, come back, and talk about some of the things that we learned while taking those pictures. All right, so to start off with, as you can see, Star Wars The Clone Wars, and it looks like she has her signature rifle and sidearm blasters. And then over on the side here, of course, we have the more realistic looking version of Aurra Sing. It's actually a pretty cool looking picture. And then she is number 8 in the Clone Wars series, and it says, a feared bounty hunter known for her chalk white skin and built-in comlink antenna, Aurra Sing was an expert sniper and trained assassin who would work for anyone who paid her. And then off to the side, we've got the that yellow color following all the way around. All right, so let's go ahead and take her out of the packaging here. And for those of you that do not know, this is a 6-inch action figure. And I acquired her through GameStop, but I will include a link to Amazon because Amazon is actually less expensive right now than pretty much all the other retailers. So that's why I will use that link. All right, blaster number 1 and blaster number 2. Rifle strap, and then the figure herself. All right, I'll be right back. I just need to clean everything right up. All right, so I got everything cleaned up here. If you have any questions while I go through this, make sure to ask down below. But let's go ahead and take a look at the first blaster here, and it's okay. It's just plastic, no real grain or anything like that to it. The other blaster is exactly the same as you would expect. And all right, put those off to the side, and we'll put them in the holster in just a little bit. You know, so far I'm not that impressed with her accessories. They're just kind of eh. I mean, the rifle here is just plastic. It's not, you know, I would have expected some wood grain or something like that along here, but what are you gonna do? You got a little bit of the a symbol right here on the grip. So let's go ahead and attach the strap here. It looks like we've got a little area here on the back. Put that in there, and then right about here, we've got another indentation. Looks like that's the intended spot. And there we go. And that's our rifle ready to go. So what we'll do now is we'll go ahead and take some pictures. Actually, we got to take a look at her herself. What am I doing? All right, so her head actually gets some pretty good movement. I'm a little surprised by that, but I guess there's no real hair to get in the way. I do like what they've done so far with the hair with the beads underneath. I think that's a really good look. I like the fact that they didn't just go with a single tone for her hair either. You've got the comlink coming out of her head. So let's go ahead and take a look. Actually, her face is really good. I'm happy with that. All right, so that's the head all the way down. That's the head all the way up. We can get a little bit of a head tilt, which for me is always important. I like that. Arms, good movement on the arms. Looks like the vest might be able to come off. I'm not going to actually take it off, but it looks like it is not attached, so that's good. No movement at the at the shoulder there. We do get the 90 degree on that side, and 90 degree on that side as well, so that's good. Torso movement, some of the best torso movement I've seen. Legs, the holsters are not attached at the legs. You've got the straps, but they're not actually attached, so that's good. Knees, double knees, so you're gonna get some good movement there. I do like the chains here on the belt. I think that's a good touch there. And then beyond that, it's pretty normal there. So that's the back. So what we're gonna do now is, actually there's one more thing I didn't do. I'm off my game today, jeez. This is an up-down movement, and over here is also an up-down movement. So that's how we're gonna be working the figure here. So what we'll do is I'll go ahead and take some pictures, and we will be right back. All right, so I think that was a good look at Aurra Sing here. The figure herself, I think, is really awesome. The face is really good. They did a really good job on the hair. The holster I liked as well. The accessories, however, they missed the mark. I mean, they could have done so much better, especially with this rifle. This rifle just looks so plain. I don't know. You know, at least have some sort of metallic look to it. I mean, we know they can do it. They've done it with other figures, but I don't know. It just didn't look quite right. They looked like they're just like, we gave you the figure and oh yeah, we need accessories too. That's what it felt like. But other than that, I mean, she's definitely a pickup, you know, one to pick up, one that's going to look good on your Clone Wars shelf. You know, I didn't even mention what they did on the vest. I think they did a good job on as well. You've got the little highlights, you get the little things on the back. You know, like I said, figure, they did a great job. Accessories, not so great. Anyways, so if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you don't already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting. So obviously we do stuff on Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series. We've got lots of those on the channel, so make sure to check out those. We've got a playlist dedicated just to Black Series figures. And then also we do other things that a professional geek might find interesting as well, like home automation, electronics, going to theme parks, that sort of thing as well. So if any of that interests you as well, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.